I'm a huge fan of Greek yogurt, and I'd say that's one of the most common questions I get asked. Greek yogurt actually uses 3 times the milk of regular yogurt. If it's authentically strained, it takes a couple of days where they let the whey, the liquid portion, drain out. And what that leaves you with is this rich and creamy yogurt that's almost akin to sour cream in terms of the mouthfeel, but it actually can have 0 fat. So Greek yogurt is a wonderful tool you can use if you want that rich, creamy taste, but none of the added fat. Greek yogurt's also, because of using 3 times the milk, twice as high in protein as regular yogurt. For people who are looking for maybe a high protein snack that's still within a good calorie count, Greek yogurt is fabulous. And lastly, Greek yogurt is much lower because of all that straining. It tends to be much lower in lactose. So I have found with my clients who are lactose intolerant, Greek yogurt might be the one thing that they can eat that actually agrees with them beautifully because most of the lactose is gone.